Justice here for the 2022 West Virginia Technology Expo right here at the spectacular Charleston Coliseum and Convention Center. We had an amazing time with guests from right around here in West Virginia, from Ohio, from Kentucky, Maryland. We even had a guest from Utah. He was here visiting family, saw what was going on, and thought he'd swing by. He definitely won for the most distance traveled. It was a lot of fun. We had vendors from all over the United States that represented over 20 different companies that were here to engage with the local IT community and business leaders. And we had presenters on many different topics from cybersecurity all the way up to unified communications. We talked about leadership and motivation, even got into some philosophical discussion. We had just an exciting time. It's been a great couple of days, and we're already making plans for next year. Can't wait to see what happens, and we want you to enjoy it all with us.
It was great. The last day and a half has been awesome. The venue's absolutely beautiful on the river here. The vendors that Advantage brought out, second to none, and had a lot of great conversations with a lot of folks throughout West Virginia that are really excited to hear what's going on, get out in person. It's been a terrific event.
The experience that I've had so far has said to me that I want to be a part of this. So every year I'm coming. As it grows, because I think it's going to, then we get more vendors, then we get more IT, then we get more networking. I think it's going to be excellent. And yes, so I'm committed, and I'm going to go back and tell my guys, hey, we need to go to this. So, of course, here at the Civic Center, it's very nice. Hotels all around, restaurants all around. It's a good place, good time for ITs. And it's also a good time for us to kind of decompress a little bit. It's kind of different from a normal work. We can grab a cup of coffee, maybe a cookie, and just kind of maybe relax a little bit while we learn. So that's a great thing to do.